Hi there and welcome on site. We are in Torrevieja now, and one of the best districts named Los Frutales, only 250 meters from the sea. Torrevieja is one of the most popular touristical destinations of Costa Blanca, surrounded by salt lakes, blue flag beaches, with well-developed touristical infrastructure, plenty of bars, restaurants, hiking routes, with amazing views. My name is Helena, and I'm sales manager of CBM Homes. And we are here with intention to introduce you one of our latest projects, where we behave on Arcostec Group as construction company and CBM Homes as developer company. We're working hard for a long time and invested a lot of effort and energy. It's an amazing masterpiece luxury villa Hemingway. Let's have a look inside. Property located on the plot of more than 1,000 square meters. Building surface 420 square meters. And if we include all surfaces of balconies and terraces, it will be more than 570 square meters. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, huge basement with natural lighting and ventilation, a spacious kitchen, comfortable lounge area, a solar upstairs with planters, a pool with an island with pre-installation of water heating system, and a personal paddle court. But first things first, let's start from the pool area, because this is exactly the place when you will be spending the most of your time. The water surface area of the swimming pool is 76 square meters. In the middle there is an island for them who appreciate attention, and right next to it 5 small islands for the pool crossing purpose. And now, welcome on site. Right after entrance, we reach the spacious lounge area. And in front, you can arrange the relax room or maybe some working desk table with the amazing views to the plot of the property and Mediterranean Sea. There is installed a smart home system. Thanks to that, you can manage air conditioning, lightings, the doorbell, and the heated floor in all 3 bathrooms with your personal phone or with devices which are installed across the all bedrooms and living spaces. And the feature is that you can open your home even without a key, only with your fingertips. This house is also connected to a video surveillance system with high-resolution outdoor and indoor cameras, infrared night vision sensors and motion detectors connected directly to the police security station. High-quality materials are used in all bathrooms, from shower screens to sanitary fittings from the leading Spanish brands. On the ground floor, we have the first bedroom for the guests. Welcome to the kitchen. It is in simple black matte tone with integrated appliances of the high quality, with upper cupboards and lower cupboards, and with the breakfast bar. Welcome to the basement. This is the huge open space of 125 square meters with natural light and ventilation. Another highlight of this masterpiece villa are stairs, partition made of transparent tempered glass, adding the impression of unique space not only with the internal area, but as well with the outdoor area. Welcome to the first floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms, first of it with the bathroom in the suite. Next comes the bathroom Next bedroom. For those who prefer the privacy and be sleeping in the quiet environment. And last but not least, bedroom with the panoramic window overlooking the plot and the Mediterranean Sea, connected with the first bedroom by L-shaped balcony. Welcome to Solarium. It is equipped with water facilities, LED lightings, and of course, with amazing views of the Mediterranean Sea. And if you fell in love with this property, do not hesitate to contact me. By the way, this is the direct listing from the developer. Therefore, we can offer you very interesting payment terms. Many thanks for your time and attention, and see you soon in the sunny Torrevieja.